Mga numero po natin galing sa ating second set. Ateneo doubling the attack points now of Lasal Dasmariñas. Although they had more errors, di naman nila naramdaman.
Correct. Dali sa lamang naman, ano, yung lamang natin yung pagdating sa errors. But ang maganda lang dito at least yung Lasal, wala na masyado maraming blocks. Mga Ateneo, nalulusutan na rin nila kahit papano. Pero yun na nga, they will need more attacks if they want to win this one against Ateneo.
They need to force a fourth set. They need to win this set.
Marami na mga nakita naman natin pagdating sa floor defense. Mas maganda pinakita nila the second set.
Starting of course si JM Pomada.
Grabe. Gumagapang sa sahig.
Right. Jerome Mirano to put us in play. Malakas ang kanyang unang serve. First point to Ateneo. So earlier, pinag-uusapan natin yung under-23 team natin. Kasama pala doon si Josh Villanueva.
Yes, mas marami nung under-23. Pero nung SEA Games, kaya ako nasabing anim. Kasi si AJ pareha.
Hindi naman kasama sa lineup si Dr. AJ. So ito kay si Polvorosa. Going over to Baisa, who's seeing his first action. So Carl Baisa scores. 2-0 Ateneo. Sino kaya magiging contender ng Ateneo sa UAAP Championship nila? Lasal looks like a very strong team as well, ano?
Even NU.
Oh, even NU.
I mean, give them another 6 months. Remember, it doesn't start till about 6-7 months from now.
January pa. 3-0 Ateneo. PLDT Homolterra, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family with speeds of up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. Here's Adam, turned back by Baisa. Uy, net violation, Tony Koifman. Hindi na daw. May nagsabing net, tapos binawi. Sabi ni Coach Oliver, pumas presyon ko dun.
Muntik lang. Muntik lamang. Pero so far, Espejo, 9 points na in this game. Marasigan having 7. Villanueva with 5 on the other side. It's Sapida and Castro with 4. And Kasim with 3.
4-0 Ateneo ngayon. Medalya. Turn back that time by Castro. Nadulas si Medalya.
Siya medyo na-fake siya doon. Binalik sa kanya yung bola.
Again, a lot is expected of the 16-year-old.
Yun talaga, pag MVP ka.
Yun na nga eh. Kailangan mo talaga magpakitang gilas.
Hirap.
And this is a very big program. And tandaan natin, defending champions yung pinasukan mo.
That is right.
Adam, across ngayon. Sumanggid. Polvorosa. Koifman! At saka yung mga palo ni Koifman, akala mo nung pag-una mong bitiw, ang lakas yung pala placing.
Well, may mga, hindi pa nga siya yung really solid hit. So, I can just imagine, sabi mo nga, may isang taon pa naman siya para gawin yan. I cannot imagine yung pag nakuha niya na, napakalaki niya. And even yung mga middle hits niya, you see that he goes for angles.
Right. That time, nalunod si Sapida. 6-1 Ateneo. May lakad si Coach Oliver.
Well, Lasal has really to maintain their composure kasi in the first 2 sets, ano siya, on and off.
Right.
Pero ngayon, mukhang dito in the beginning of the 3rd set, yun nga, nawawala na ng konti yung fighting spirit nila. But they have to hang on, di pa ito tapos.
You need to win 3 sets to win a volleyball match. 6-2 Ateneo. Polvorosa sa kabila, Medalya. Nandun yung depensa. Lirano, Adam. Nalunod na naman si Sapida pero that time saved by Pomada. And a net violation or crossing violation or net violation nga against Sapida.
Sayang naman yun. And again, they're not banking on their floor defense kasi they had a better floor defense in the second set pati dito. Pero hindi nakikarry through pagdating sa opensa.
Pumasok na for the first time si Al-Sharin Abdul Wahab, the younger brother of Al-Frazin Abdul Wahab. So setter din. Setter sa setter ang palitan dito. Edimar Kasim. And Adam gets it across. Polvorosa. Pumunta this time sa kabila. Rivera.
John Rivera getting it from the open hit.
So 8-2 Ateneo. Sa pagsisimula nito ating 3rd set. We will be right back. Spikers Turf continues here. 8-2 Ateneo sa ating 3rd set. We send it now to Cristel Bachelor.
Definitely, Coach Oliver said he is maximizing Anthony Kaufman today because he wants to mix his rookies and veterans for them to adapt with the system. For this, said Coach is only looking for effort and consistency from the Blue Eagles. Meanwhile, for DLSU, Dasma vocal pa rin sa huddle si Jerome Mirano, telling his teammates, less errors dapat tayo sa receives. Kaya naman natin in terms of paluan at blockings, pero dapat enjoyin din natin ang laro. But Coach Jobin said they also have to follow his instructions while simultaneously enjoy.
That's a very tough task ngayon para sa Lasal. Dasmariñas. Polvorosa, iuhulog. Nandun naman itong si Pumada. Adam, galing sa likod. Baisa, Polvorosa. Koifman, lusot na naman. Pinuhay ni Pumada.
Yeah, ano mo, may floor defense. Ang problema, hindi siya magandang reception. Alam mo yun, hindi magandang receive. So, hindi nila matranslate into offense.
Koifman is now starting to enjoy himself. That's a bad sign para sa Lasal Dasmariñas. Ultra Fast Spike, hatid po sa atin ang PLDT Homoltera, the Ultra Fast LT for a happy family. Ayan na.
Flex his muscles.
9-3, Koifman on the serve, off the net. Pomada has been doing very well. Eddie Marcasim, and that will be another point for the Blue Eagles.
It was on the tape of the net. So ito ang Ateneo trying to pull away early on in this third set.
Koifman on the serve. At naitawid yan ng Lasal Dasmariñas. They'll go to Rivera, off the block. Pomada once again. Back set Abdul Wahab. Abdul Wahab this time going to Eddie Marcasim.
And that goes through the blockers of Ateneo.
10-4 Ateneo. Hindi pa naman daw over and out. 10-4 pa lang naman. So lalaki pa dito ang kupunan ng Lasal Dasmariñas. Because it's the official ball of the Spikers turf. Off the set, off the net rather, para dito kay Polvorosa. Abdul Wahab, Kasim, naabangan.
Ang taas na nung abot ni Kasim dun sa open hit na yun. But Ateneo still managed to block this last play.
Dalawa na nakaabang doon kay Eddie Marcasim, and that time Rex Intal ang nakakuha. Maganda rin dito kay Polvorosa, matangkad din na setter to eh.
That's right. Yun naman talaga yung biggest advantage ni Ish.
Adam. Polvorosa now, sending it to Rivera. Kept alive once again by Ateneo. Rivera tries it again. And that time, check ball.
Check ball at ano yun jump set na nakatalikod galing kay Ish Polvorosa.
Oh, ito na yung batang setter ng Ateneo, seeing his first action of the game, si E.G. Magadia. So Magadia is 16 years old. Malaking setter pa.
Nawili na si Coach Oliver. Alam niya na yung advantage ng isang malaking setter. Sa bagay, lahat naman ng coaches siya na pangarap. Gusto na malaking setter.
Magadia on the back set ngayon. Baisa will overshoot. So yung mga errors lang na Ateneo yung bubuhay dito sa Lasal Dasmariñas.
Sayang nakukuha nila yung ball, they're just not able to set it up kasi parang hirap nga lagi dun sa mga first balls.
Good serve by Kasim, Magadia, and Rex Intal going through the defense. PLDT Homoltera, the Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family with speeds of up to 10 Mbps, monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. 13-5, Blue Eagles. John Rivera, off the net and good.
John Rivera getting a point.
And a timeout by Lasal Dasmariñas.
Ito na naman tayo. Simple lang kung bisita sa akin sila. Wala po kung tayo pa nila para sa akin. Omar, damihan mo pa. Error mo, damihan mo, error mo.
Very few words exchanged during that huddle. So Lasal Dasmariñas down by 9. Rivera on the serve. Malakas. Again, yung mga errors lang ng Ateneo ang bumubuhay so far dito sa koponan ng Lasal Dasmariñas. Lasal Dasmariñas now has to get some points on the offensive end.
And right now, ayaw mo na nga maiwanan ng malaking-malaki ng Ateneo, especially now it's the third set and the Ateneo up by 2. They really need this third set.
But Edimar Kazim is not in his element today.
So unlike his first game.
Ang ganda ng first game niya talaga.
Ano ba yan? Minsan may intimidation rin kasi because
Pwede rin.
ano ba, dahil Ateneo is a UAAP champion.
And you also have to remember to Lasal Dasmariñas, bumabiyahe araw-araw to make it to the venue. It takes
Galing,
about 3 hours galing sa kanila eskwelahan papunta rito sa San Juan Arena.
Saludo sa inyo.
Net violation against Lasal Dasmariñas once again. So Ateneo now opening up a 10-point lead, 16-6. 10-point lead for the Blue Eagles. Dito po sa ating third set. Ateneo also holds a 2-0 lead kontra rito sa Lasal Dasmariñas. Noel Zarate po kasama si Tita Mozi Ravena at si Cristel Bachelor. To make matters worse, a double violation against Gabs Abdul Wahab.
Nilang violation, mga free points na binibigay dito sa Ateneo. I'm talking about Lasal Dasmariñas.
And Abdul Wahab will check out. Babalik ulit si Mirano. Trying to restore some order dito sa opensa ng Lasal Dasmariñas. Intala on the serve. Kasim, Mirano, tinawid kay Adam, nakahabang dalawa. Adam one more time, going over the defense this time. Medalya, Magadia, Tony Koifman. That is in the air ngayon para kay Bin, who's seeing his first action of the game. And that will score again para sa Lasal Dasmariñas. Ito si Aidan Bin. Actually, Aldin Bin played very well. Siya yung kapitan. Played very well also against CSB sa kanilang unang encounter. Pero ngayon lang naglaro.
Ba't ngayon lang pinasok?
Yun na nga. Talent to the net.
That's right.
18-7. So ngayon, ito si Brian Castro. Put it in play. Magadia, Koifman again.
Still unstoppable so far itong si Tony Koifman.
Itong guest player nila na libero, si Dan Posadas, is in already para sa Ateneo. Ultra Fast spike ulit, galing kay Koifman at it's sa atin na PLDT Homolterra, the Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. Baisa on the serve. Momada, and there is Sapida.
Masyadong malalayo points na nakukuha ng Lasal. They will score 1, Ateneo will score 3 or 4, di ba?
Right. Aldin Bin, Magadia, kabila, Medalya, lusot na naman.
Using the blockers of Lasal. Si Ron Medalya, so even at a young age,
Right.
maganda bumasa, maganda pumwesto ng bola.
Palitan dito ng tao, Sapida will check out at si Dex Canilang seeing his first action. And here's another guest player, SEA Games veteran Timmy Santo Tomas seeing his first action. Kinikwento sa akin ni Sherwin Meneses, nagsimula yan open spiker, tapos naging setter, tapos naging libero. Ngayon, hindi mo na alam kung anong pwesto niya rito sa team.
Diba, all around.
Oo.
Hindi naman maganda. Madaming posisyon na pwedeng palitan.
Right. Edimar Kazim, dug up there by Posadas, dug up by Baisa.
Great reaction there from Baisa.
At may tatawid yan ni Magadia. Here's Kasim. Net violation there kontra kay Koifman. Koifman, natawa na lang doon. Sorry, matangkad ako ha.
Mahaba.
Ano palikat na niya tumama sa ilalim ng net. Alam mo yun? Palundag pa lang siya. 29, Ateneo needing 5 points to secure their second win. Adam,
That's wide.
So 21-9. Sino ba magsiserve sa Ateneo? Nakakahiya.
Si Tony.
Sino magsiserve? Si Tony na pala. And Intal will check out. Babalik ulit sa ating laban si Giancarlo Gloriosa. The LDT Home Ultra, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family with speeds of up to 10 Mbps, monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. Hirap pamili ng player of the game. Ateneo, no?
Sobra. Kasi lahat gumagana, kumbaga.
Right. Here's Magadia now, sending it across, Rivera. And Rivera puts Ateneo 3 points away.
Tulad ni Rivera, Rivera has now 8 points already in this game. In this match.
Si Pomada parang
Kamot ulo.
magpapamasahe rin ako mamaya.
Kailangan niya.
Serve now by Koifman. Drop ball almost work and lumabas yung pagkalibero ni Timmy.
Sabi ko sa iyo, di ba? All around.
Koifman with a good dig. Galing sa likod ngayon, Adam. Timmy once again. They send it over. Koifman intercepting that one. Intended for John Rivera. Sabi ni Tony Koifman kay Oliver Almado, I'm sorry, coach.
Yeah, I'm just too long. I thought I could get that one.
Sinisigaw ang sarita ni Oliver Almado. At tatawa na lang sa kanya yung buong bench eh. Oh. Excited ka masyado, bata.
Nagulat si John eh.
Oh. Sabi ni Rivera, ito na, bawi ko na to.
Oo.
Kanyang-kanya. So ngayon, 23-10 is our score. Magadia to serve. Running attack now, Brian Castro. Huli
Ayan
si
na naman.
Glorioso.
Alam mo, minsan yung mga ganyan nagkakatulukan tapos manenet. Hindi na pwede yan ngayon. So, net violation against Ateneo.
That's Glorioso. 23-11. Rivera again.
Once again, Rivera.
John Rivera.
That's right. Just hitting it away. Ito nga, last points halos galing kay John Rivera.
May lakad din. Ito.
Oh, may lakad yata si John.
Serving for the match, Rivera. Bin. Ay, nagbilang pa si Ateneo sa block. Nakalusot pa rin.
And that was a great angle coming from Bin. Mahaba tapos
Yun na nga eh.
malakas.
Tataka-taka ba? Ngayon lang naglaro ito si Alden Bin.
Di kaya under the weather?
Could be
or-
also, could be. Magadia sending it to Timmy. And Timmy is blocked. 24-13. Still 9 match points for Ateneo.
Time for Ateneo to set up and just one more play. Oh,
Ayun na,
hindi na
binigay
kailangan.
na lang. Oh, binigay na lang ni Mirano. On the service error, 25-13, Ateneo with a straight sets win. So it is the second straight day that Ateneo has dispatched the Lasal team. Una, Lasal Taf, at ngayon, Lasal Dasmariñas. 25-13 straight sets. Yan po ang ating confirmation of our final score. Ang daming humihiyaw sa ating player of the game. O isa,
Ang dami naglaro na maganda sa Ateneo, but
Padulo, ito na lang.
Yes, that's
John
right.
Rivera, able to get it done. 8 attack points, 1 block, 1 serve. John Rivera, our player of the game. And Ateneo has won 2 straight. At siya po magwawakas sa paghatid namin sa inyo. Spiker serve on behalf of Crystal Bachelor and my partner, Tito Mosi Ravena. Ito po si Noel Zarate. Paalam.